In this fourth and final lesson, you will incorporate your video from a video sharing platform into an assessment. In this example, we'll use YouTube and Google Forms. First, you'll upload your video into YouTube if you haven't already. From your YouTube homepage, click on your videos on the left-hand side. Then click on Create in the upper right corner to upload your video. Once it processes, it will show up on your Videos page. For this example, I'm using the video in the center. Presentational speaking. Be sure to check out the step-by-step visuals under the Step 1 tab if needed. The second step is to create an assessment. In this example, we'll use Google Forms because it is so easy to share. To create a new Google Form, go to your Google Drive. On the left-hand side, select New, then Google Form. Then name your Google Form and add questions. For the Lesson 1 assessment, you'll need at least 10 questions. Consider using a variety of question types in order to become familiar with all that is available. To select question type, look at the right where it is marked Multiple Choice. There's a drop-down tab there where you can select other question types. Here are the kinds of questions you can use in Google Forms. In my example, I'll use multiple choice questions. Experiment to find what works best for you. In order for your assessment to grade automatically, you'll need to choose a question type that has a correct answer. Click on the Answer key on the bottom left of the question. Then choose the correct answer and select a point value. You can also add answer feedback so that students understand better why they missed a question. Add your instructional goal and performance objective. Be sure to check out the step-by-step instructions and the additional info under the Step 2 tab. In the third step, you embed your video into the assessment. On the right side, click on Add Video. Search for and select the YouTube video you would like to embed. Once you hit Select, it will embed into your Google Form. Be sure to look over the step-by-step instructions under the Step 3 tab as you create your own assessment with embedded video. In the fourth step, you'll edit your assessment and add final touches. In order to simplify your life, improve student performance, and add sophistication, you might consider some options. Be sure to check out the suggestions under the Step 4 tab. Look through all the settings and make sure you have it set up in a way that will make it easier when the student responses come in. For example, would you like students to have access to their scores immediately after submission? Would you like it to collect their email addresses? Would you like to change the theme or color palette? If so, click on the palette icon at the top right. Organize where you would like your student responses to go. Under the Responses menu tab, in the top right, click the 3 vertical dots. Then select Response Destination. From there, you can create a new spreadsheet to receive student responses. Is there anything else you would like to include? I added directions and brief reminders of the content so my learners could easily review and refer to the notes while taking the assessment. Check out the step-by-step instructions as well as my examples under the Step 5 tab. Now you are ready to share it with your students and colleagues. As you test it out, make any necessary adjustments and modifications. To share your work, click on Send in the top right corner. Then decide how you would like to share your Google Form, by email, a link, or an embed code. Then paste a link into wherever you will be sharing it, like a Canvas assignment. You're ready to be in 2 places at the same time. When you use the Google Form with your students, you can review the results and data to determine what worked. You can then modify content or questions to improve student comprehension and performance. Congratulations! Time to celebrate! Now you can create Google Form digital assessments and embed instructional video. This will allow you to make engaging and meaningful, reusable, and shareable digital lessons, which will benefit you and your students in so many ways.